Time to rotate the tires on my 2024 Jeep Wrangler Sport S. I'm at 5,600 miles. I was gonna do it at 5,000 miles, but I got a little bit busy. I got school and I got a lot of maintenance to do at this house. So I'm gonna try to do all of this like within 20 minutes or so. It shouldn't take that long. So a couple of tools that I have here is this rigid impact wrench. I bought these off of Amazon. They're basically a jack stand built all in one. A Tecton reliable torque wrench, and I always wear gloves. I don't know, some people don't. I do, because maybe it's because I work at a desk all day and I need my hands to look pretty. But here we go. Like I said, I'll try to get all this done like in 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna lift from the axle tube, but I think I remember seeing somewhere saying to don't do that. So I'm gonna lift it from right here. There we go. Okay, it's nice and snug. Pull this down. If you push that down, that's what, yep, see, it locks it into place. The tire is lifted. And it's just, yeah, okay. Good there. Same thing here. Get up there actually. Is it this one? No. There we go. Snug. There's a little spot right there. Good. There it is. Pull this down. Okay, that tire is lifted. Okay, this is the part that I enjoy the most. Easiest, actually. Weird. Okay. I'll leave those lugs to go with that. Okay. This tire's going to the front. Lift it up into place. There we go. Snag it back up. It's the same thing. I'm done. So I just want to show how these work. Push that up. Slowly turn. There we go. That one's done. done. Lock it. So here, push that up. Slowly turn. There we go. All done. Okay, now it's just a matter of adjusting the torque on these wheels. I'll show that. About these torque wrenches is that if I'm gonna do 130 foot-pounds to go from the lowest setting to 130, do that 3 times just to get the adjustment right. Okay, I'm at 130 right there. Lock it. This is a pretty good torque wrench. It does do the click. One. Click. Yep. See. There we go. So 130. And after 75 miles or so, gotta tighten them again.